I am the guy behind this. This is Nexorah, a small tech startup trying to motivate small or large content creators. I have always been a YouTuber, making videos on the day I got my first PC, and I've always wanted a live subscriber counter to track my progress. However, they were all either way too expensive or just not what I was looking for. So I'm building one and I would love your help. So this is currently all I have. I'll spare you of all the details, but I have very basic code which works for this but could not safely be scaled, and in the interest of everyone's security I would outsource this to a professional, which is just a little bit out of my student budget. Yeah, that's right, I'm a student studying business, which must show my true passion and dedication to this, as believe me, I have wanted a product like this for years. So regardless of the outcome, I have still won in my books. As you may notice, it's quite bare at the moment. I have designed some planned casings for it, however this is all subject to change and will be heavily influenced by your opinion in my new Discord server, where people can ask questions, share concerns and their own ideas. Anyways, I think that's enough for this video. Thanks for stopping by.